when I come up with topics and break them down, like what am I going to talk about? Well, I'm always a student of this stuff. You're always learning about your craft and you're staying up to date with things. I have to learn. And I learn the most by actually just doing. The other thing is I used to try to create from like scratch all the time. And you don't want to do that in this case when you're trying to help people. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. You want to find the damn wheel and hear the squeak. So we go get signal from the internet. Now I just go to like YouTube. I'll go down in the comments. I use vidIQ. I'll summarize the comments and I'll start looking for questions, problems. If you just create what you're thinking all the time, you'll miss the mark. People won't get into your content like you want them to. If you want people to get into the content, if you want to know how to do a good hook, go find what somebody's saying out there that, hey, doctor, my back hurts, right down here in the lower part. All you got to do now is just say that back. That's the hook. How did I get my lower back to stop hurting? Are you dealing with that? Here, watch this video. It's not very hard. It's just laying out there. You got to go find it. It's like you're a hunter and then a fisher. You're out there hunting for the signal, for the food. You're like looking, but then once you locate it, you can't go out there and just like, we can't go out on the internet and just knock people over the head with clubs. You have to attract it to you then. So like once you see it, then you become a fisherman and you figure out what is going to be the lure to get that thing over here. And so all you got to do is go look at it in the wild, go to the comments, go to the reviews, go listen, okay? And then when you see, they like eating red tulips, maybe I should plant a bunch of those over in front of my trap, So that's kind of like what you do. You go out and find that, right? You can go to YouTube and go down in the comments, or TikTok down in the comments, or Google. Just pretend you're the customer that has the problem and then act like you're trying to solve it, like you're them, and see what comes up. And then just go find where people are also, that actually have the problem, are looking at that stuff, and then see what they're saying. If you go to a video and it's about how to tie your shoe, and down in the comments, you find there's a bunch of people still asking questions after watching a video that was supposed to show them how to tie their shoe. If they are still having trouble with that, that is where you find some great content. And once you create it, you can just go right back to where you found it and drop it over there, and they will go and they will watch it. And if it's good because you actually, got them from A to B in your content, you listened, you fixed the thing that was missing, they will love you, they will follow you, they will like you. It's very simple.